Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this easy origami chocolate bar. And this is a simpler version of the original origami chocolate bar, which I'll be teaching in this video. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make this one first because it's simpler. And so, here goes. So for this model I'm going to use a 16 square origami. You could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up and fold in half. Try to make very exact folds. And crease sharply. Alright, now fold two sides to the crease. Okay, and now fold in half. And unfold and fold to your crease again. Okay, and now we're going to make some pleats and we're going to make these lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this fold and we're going to fold it up, and this is just to eye, it's to taste, and just fold it about like this, see, like that, and then you can crease that sharply. Alright, and then do the same thing here and here, fold it about like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this middle crease right here and make it a mountain, and we're going to fold it up also. So let's make a pleat, and this is also to eye, just fold it maybe about like that. And it's a little bit more tricky because it's more layers. Alright, but yeah, same thing, turn it over and okay, just like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this crease right here. See, these are kind of too long, so we're gonna kind of shorten it. So we're gonna fold it down so that it's almost a square. Okay, just turn it over and just fold it up about like this. I mean, they don't have to be squared if you don't want to. This is just to taste. Just make it look like a chocolate bar. However you want. Alright, and then, yeah, let's go ahead and do it on this side too. I'm just going to kind of mount and fold it. Kind of close off these edges. Alright, and then same right here too, these edges in here. And turn it over, and we are done. So here it is. Here is the easy origami chocolate bar. And yeah, it's pretty cool looking. And here's the original one, which is quite a bit more complex. And to learn how to fold this one, go on to the next video.